Good morning, India. Hello and welcome to Rev Sports. Well, all to celebrate so far. We have won a historic game and we have witnessed a historic game last night, right at this stadium, D.Y. Patil Stadium. A bit of rainfall right now, but it's perfectly fine. I think the emotions were high yesterday night. You could see how the entire Indian team got emotional. But that one kid, the one girl who performed or outperformed herself and actually proved something that you and I have been screaming at the top of our lungs for the last, 1 year, 1.5 years. When Richa was sent at number 3, we said it should have been Jemmy. When Harleen Deol was sent at number 3, we kept saying it should have been Jemmy. And she was finally sent at number 3 against New Zealand, and then in the all-important semi-final against Australia. Against New Zealand, she scored a 76. Against Australia, 127 not out, and this 127 not out has to be one of the best knocks of her career. No matter what she goes on to achieve from here onwards, we were there. Let's begin from the beginning. Take us through the knock.
I think unbelievable knock, and I think, as you mentioned, that so many emotions were going through. We can really understand that how many emotions were going through among us only.
Yeah.
So you can understand how many emotions were going through Jamie Mars. During that knock, and she clearly mentioned that during her post match interaction with the media, and obviously in the post match press conference also. But what a knock, and especially as you mentioned that we have been talking about it, that at number 3 Jemimah Rodrigues is your best batter across any format of the game. And it was so good to see that the team management finally took the decision of sending her to bat at that position against New Zealand. She came out with the flying colours with that unbeaten 76 run knock, helping the team to score that 340 run mark. And then again yesterday, as Jemimah mentioned that initially she was not aware of that she's coming out to bat at number 3. But thankfully the team management again showed that faith. Obviously Harleen was not there, so ultimately you had to take a call, and it was so good to see that they showed faith on Jemimah, and how beautifully the faith has paid off. And astonishing knock, the way she managed to keep herself cool, calm and composed, and the main aim was to stay there at the end, because against England we saw that ultimately one of your set batters failed to be there at one end, and ultimately that cost you the game. You lost that game by only 4 runs. But this time Jemimah knew what he had to do, and ultimately she managed to do that, and ultimately India won a historic game.
Absolutely, I think properly summed up. But also, what was brilliant about that knock is it's one thing to come and play at number 3, go on. She built a partnership with Smriti, and then Smriti Mandhana got out. In came Harmanpreet Kaur, built a fantastic partnership with her, and just when, and this has happened in the England game as well, that just when you thought that India had the game in the grasp, against the run of play, Harmanpreet Kaur got out. And when Harmanpreet Kaur got out, there was again a chance of bundling out. There was a chance of India had not sealed the match by then. So while a very good knock under pressure from Harmanpreet Kaur, but even then we had not won the game. The game was not sealed. It was after that how she played. It was like she took the onus on herself that, and she has said this in the press conference that I kept telling Harman that we need to finish this. We can't leave it for anyone. And it's not something that she does not have faith in the other batters. It's just that yes, the D.Y. Patil wicket is absolutely good for batting, but it is never easy for any batter coming in any pitch across the world to go out there and finish a chase. You always need a set batter, something that we kept saying when the England match happened, that our biggest problem was our set batters gave it up. Our set batters did not stay, but it was not to be. Jemimah Rodriguez, what a fantastic innings, what a superstar she has become overnight. From being tagged as only the real sensation, from being called the overrated player, and us being abused for continuously the so-called being the PRs of Jemimah Rodriguez, hyping her up. I think an innings that sums up how well Jemimah Rodriguez can bat, the potential finally realized, and what a game to realize that. Having said that, we'll end this video by saying we need one more knock from Jemimah Rodriguez. Not one more, many more such knocks,
Yes.
but at least in this
On
World
Sunday.
Cup, on Sunday, when DY Patil will be absolutely, it won't be easy to hear anyone on the ground. That is when, under pressure, under lights, we need one more knock from Jemimah Rodriguez. As of now, she can spend a little more time with Jade, another rock star. But yeah, Jemimah Rodriguez, you have made the entire nation wake up with a smile.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, guys. Keep joining Rev Sports, because right now it's all about the World Cup final, the third ODI World Cup final. And can we finally be third time lucky? It's 2025 as well.
Yes, the magic of 2025.
The magic of 2025. Keep joining Rev Sports as we build up to the India, South Africa, all important, all interesting World Cup final. Thank you so much. Do like, share and subscribe.
Thank you.